Imagine a world where your money isn't coins in your pocket or numbers in a bank. Nah, it's a string of code floating in cyberspace. Sounds a bit bouncer, Dutton. Well, welcome to the world of Bitcoin currency that doesn't play by the old rules. Back in 2008, when the financial world was crashing like a bad game of dominoes, trust in bank, it was a dead as a dodo. Then come this mysterious figure, Satoshi Nakamoto, who said, "What if money could be different? What if you had control, not some bank in a shining office?" And just like that, Bitcoin was unleashed, a digital currency built on a thing called blockchain. Think of it as a giant public ledger that recovers every transaction. It's a secure, open, and no one can fiddle with it, not even the craftiest hacker. No banks, no middleman, just you, a digital wallet, and the freedom to send money anywhere in the world fast and direct from London to Lagos with no one taking a slice of your pie. But oi, that's not all sunshine and smooth sailing. Bitcoin got mood swings wilder than British wealth. Oh, 1 minute you are laughing at your fortune, next minute you are crying into a OK tea, wondering where it all went. Yet, even with all its choice, Bitcoin's pocket something powerful, the idea that maybe, just maybe, we can decide what money is. No banks, no government, just people, technology working hand in hand. Whether you see it as a gamble or a glimpse into the future, Bitcoin changed the game for goods. It's more than just digital cash, it's a revolution in the way we think about trust, power, and freedom. So, is Bitcoin the future or just a wide ride with no seatbelt? One thing for sure, made the story far from over.